dignity and honor. We appreciate the courage, resilience of Iranian leadership and Iranian brothers and sisters. Your Excellency, I would once again like to highlight the role of Field Marshal Sayyid Asim Munir for his outstanding contribution which led to this ceasefire and signing of this MOU by your good self, by President Trump and Pakistan as a mediator. He has toiled and worked untiringly through the nights, through those dark days, with one mission that come what may, we will do everything humanly possible to stop this war which can burn vast swath of land and devastate everything. So I think Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has been extremely merciful and infinitely kind upon all of us, that through our joint efforts we have reached this point. And as a result of that, we had the first session of technical discussions at Bergenstock. I would also like to once again appreciate the efforts of Deputy Prime Minister and his team and Mr. Mohsen Naqvi for his fine shuttle diplomacy, in that Brother Abbas Arakchi has played a pivotal role. And I would also like to bring on record the support we have achieved and received from brotherly and friendly countries, particularly the state of Qatar. His Highness the Amir and the Prime Minister have been absolutely forthcoming in their support to this peace initiative. I would also like to bring on record the support of His Royal Highness the Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman of Saudi Arabia, my dear brother President Tayyip Erdogan of Turkey, and of course President Fatih al-Sisi of Egypt. Your Excellency, today we are enjoying happiest of moments that together we will inshallah rebuild our relations between Pakistan in all spheres of life: economic cooperation, trade, investment, reconstruction. And I have no doubts in my mind that given the strength of Iranian people, courageous, brave, very knowledgeable, fertile lands, mines and minerals, oil, gas, under your visionary and dynamic leadership, Iran will transform into one of the most growing economies one day soon. And Pakistan and Iran will work together for our mutual advantages and benefits in areas in which we excel. Your Excellency, I'd like to point out one thing. Today I spoke on the floor of the House in our Parliament and conveying this message to all and sundry. Today our brother, President Masoud Pezeshkian, is coming to Pakistan on our invitation, and this is one of our happiest moments We are all joyful. We are all very happy. And I think, as they say, that in adversity, you come out stronger and you become friends and brothers forever. Iran and Pakistan today are brothers and friends forever. We will share our happiness and sorrows together, and we will work together to promote peace, tranquility and progress, not only in this region, but by implication in this entire Middle East, Gulf and South Asia. Your Excellency, I would say with fullest command at my domain that this MOU does not mention about ballistic missiles. It was never on the table. It was never on the agenda. And Iran side never wanted to even discuss about it. So that is not an impression. That is a fact of matter. So there should be no second thought about it. It must not be misconstrued, because there are spoilers all over the world to scuttle this peace deal. They don't want Iranian nation, great nation, to come out of this ashes of war and touch the zenith of glory. So I want to make it abundantly clear that ballistic missiles, and of course, they cannot be double standards, two standards, that some countries can have ballistic missiles and Iran shouldn't have. This is simply, you cannot digest this kind of duplicity. So I think I wanted to make it very clear, Excellency, that the MOU which has been signed by me as a mediator does not mention about ballistic missiles at all. And that is the stated position. So there should be no confusion about it. Thank you very much.
वज़ीर-ए-आज़म मियां मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ के ईरानी सदर के साथ वफूद की सतह पर मुलाकात में इब्तदाई गुफ्तगू। उन्होंने कहा कि हम मुज़ाकरात के लिए फील्ड मार्शल सैयद आसिम मुनीर की काविशों को बहुत ज्यादा सराहते हैं। अल्लाह का फजल है और सालिसी की कोशिशों से हमें कामयाबी मिली है। और उन्होंने कहा कि मुश्तरका काविशों और अज़्म से इस मरहले में पहुंचने पे कामयाब हुए हैं। बर्गन स्टॉक में तकनीकी सतह के मुज़ाकरात की अहमियत बहुत ज्यादा है और नायब वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इसहाक डार, ईरानी वज़ीर ख़ारजा अब्बास इराक़ची का किरदार भी लायक़ तहसीन है। उन्होंने कहा कि हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि खित्ते में अमन को बरकरार रखा जाए। नायब वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इसहाक डार और ईरानी वज़ीर ख़ारजा अब्बास इराक़ची ने भी बहुत ज्यादा कोशिशें की हैं। साथ ही साथ उन्होंने कहा कि हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हम के लिए कोशिशों में जो ताउन किया है दोस्त ममालिकों, उन्हें भी जबरदस्त ख़राज तहसीन पेश करते हैं।